a very warm welcome to your today's chemistry session with your master teacher Shilpi Mam. I hope that you all are doing amazing and you were also waiting for this session all about isomers. The reason we are having this session today is that, guys, there is a lot of confusion around this topic isomers, and ma'am, what kind of questions can we expect in the exam? What exactly are isomers? How many different type of isomerism we have to practice? So all that Shilpi ma'am will be discussing in the session today. So if you are also confused about isomers, this is for you, okay? And just one update to you guys, this is Vedantu's special interactive session that is happening for all my YouTube students, for all my Kitayans. So how can you join this session? There is a link given in the description box of the video to join this session, and you can come here and watch the recording, okay? So I hope that you all are pretty much excited. And why should you attend this session on Vedantu platform? Because you do get lots of amazing features like real-time feedback on your speed and accuracy. We do conduct the quizzes, and in those quizzes you do get what? Stars and analysis of performance. You can track your entire class performance, how you were performing throughout the session. Seamless learning and the quiz experience you would be getting, okay? How to watch the recording or how to join the session, there is a link given in the description box of this video and you can check it out, okay? Recording is still be getting it, okay? Chaliye, so if in case you are new on the channel, make sure that you hit the like button of the video. Now this is a special session for you, so let us target 100 likes. Share the video with your friends and you have to make it reach 100 likes, okay? And comments I want today, like it's been so many days I don't see much of your comments, so I want to see your energy today in the comment section. Okay, right away tell me how is your preparation going on. Exams are near, but do not panic. Subscribe to the channel if in case you haven't, okay? Okay, chaliye. So let's get started. Still are you confused by the twins? How many of you are confused by the twins? Tell me in the live chat, come on. Are you? Yes. It's like brother and sister, and I'm like, how can I even judge them? Some of the twins, so they look exactly similar. Something like that we will see in isomers also, okay? Isomers are also like twins, okay? They have the same molecular formula. Like I will say this is an isomer with 4 carbon atoms, 10 hydrogen. This is also an isomer with 4 carbon, 10 hydrogen. We're like, ma'am, I am confused. Isomers have same molecular formula. Yes, they do have that. So what is the difference? The arrangement of atoms in the molecule is different, okay? The structure is going to be different. So chemical compounds that have identical chemical formula but different properties, and the arrangement of atoms in the molecule. The molecular formula is same, the structural formula is different. These type of compounds are your isomers basically, and this phenomena is known as isomerism. So if an exam definition comes, then also you can explain. Ma'am has attached the definition in the comments, like in the slides only, and guys, you will be getting the slides, okay? So do not worry, right? I will make sure that I get the notes of this class uploaded in the description box so that you can easily see that and you can actually practice this before your examination. Okay, I guess we are on the same page. Both example I've taken C4H10, normal butane and isobutane. Both of them are having the same molecular formula, but is the structure also same? Now how will you see the structure? See, mainly we are talking about the carbon skeleton. So whenever you draw the isomers, you have to see the arrangement of the carbon skeleton. In the normal butane, you can see 4 carbon atoms, all are connected in a straight chain by a single covalent bond. In isobutane, you can see 3 carbon attached in a single carbon chain and the 4th carbon attached as a substituent. So what is this? There is a branched structure over here. This is the branching of the carbon skeleton. How can I show this? See, you can see it clearly like this. This form is known as isoform in common. So what do we see here? Same molecular formula, different arrangement of carbon atoms. So whenever you draw the isomers, you always have to start with the carbon skeleton. Okay? Just let's say I want to draw the isomers of C4H10. So the first thing I have to do is to arrange the carbon atoms. The carbon skeleton always start with a straight chain. 4 carbon atom can be arranged in this way. Is there any other possibility of arranging 4 carbons? बताओ chat box में. Yes, क्या है? 3 carbon I can attach in the straight chain, 4th as a substituent. हो गया अलग? Yes. The last thing should be to attach the hydrogens. How will you attach hydrogen? Every carbon should make 4 bonds. The valency of carbon should be satisfied. So at this terminal carbon, I can attach 3 hydrogen. 2 valency of second carbon is satisfied. I can attach 2. Here also I can attach 3. Similarly, in this case also you can complete the valency and you will be getting it. So how many isomers were there? Structural isomers for butane were there? 2. Butane, normal butane and isobutane. Okay. So chaliye, I'll tell you some basic types of isomerism that will help you to frame answers in exam. Isomerism is a very vast topic. Fine. So when you go to class 11th, you will study the different branches of chemistry. In physical chemistry, you will do some topics. In your organic chemistry, you will do isomerism. In inorganic chemistry, you will do isomerism as well. So it's like, it's a vast topic. So basic classification is of 2 types, structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. What we have to focus on here, structural isomerism is further of chain isomerism, functional isomerism, position. So just focus on 2 points only, not going in detail of any of the topic which is not relevant to your syllabus right now. The chain isomerism and the position isomerism. These are the 2 isomerism that you use in class 10th. For example, chain isomerism is this, where the carbon skeleton ka chain arrangement is different. Like 4 carbon atoms in a straight chain, this is 1, and 3 in a straight chain, 1 as substituent. This is chain isomerism. The carbon skeleton, the chain arrangement is different. The bond structure in this carbon connection is different. The bond connectivity in the carbon skeleton is different. है ना? Chain आप देख सकते हो is varying. Position isomerism is like, let's say I am having 4 carbon atoms. I am keeping double bond at the first carbon. There is a possibility that in the 4 carbon I can keep double bond at the second position. So I am changing the position of double bond. Similarly, you can change the position of functional group. Okay, so that is a position isomerism. Right, so we don't have to do other type of isomerism for now. You have to use these 2 in exam and you will be able to frame your answers. Let us see chain isomerism. Let us see for pentane. Okay, pentane mein you can see clearly there are 5 carbon atoms and 12 hydrogen. Let's say it comes in your exam. Draw the structural isomers of pentane. So simple tip ma'am would be giving you. You can find the structural isomers of alkanes using the formula 2 raised to power n minus 4 plus 1. Okay. Okay. Now the thing here is that what is this n ka value? This n is the number of carbon atoms. Okay. Chaliye, let's say we are calculating for pentane, n value is 5. So structural isomers for pentane would be 2 raised to power 5 minus 4 plus 1. 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 comes out to be 3. So there are 3 structural isomers for pentane. Let's draw them. The first one that you will always draw should be having the 5 carbon atoms. Okay, chaliye, dekho 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon in the straight chain. 5 तो सब में होंगे. But the first isomer जब भी आप बनाओ, keep it simple. start drawing with the one in which you connect the carbon atom in a straight chain. ठीक है, 5 carbon in a straight chain. The second possibility, I can keep the 4 carbon atom in a straight chain. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And fifth, I can attach a substituent at the second place. If you guys have doubt, मैम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते, देखो I can attach substituent here. तो बेटा in this case first and second are same. The connectivity of carbon, like the bond arrangement is same. है ना, ये देखो first, second, in this case the numbering will go like this. So these two are the same structures only. You have to vary the bond connectivity. ठीक है? So I will be attaching this carbon at the second place. Now they are different structure. Is there any other possibility? Yes. Keep 3 carbon in a straight chain, 4th carbon as substituent, 5th as substituent too. There is no other possibility. Okay, so these are the tricks for isomers basically. You people always start with the number of carbon in a straight chain, then reduce 1 carbon from the main chain, add it as a substituent, then reduce 1 more carbon from straight chain, add it also as a substituent. So just it's like, you know, hit and trial thing. The more you practice, the more fluent you will get with the isomers, and if you don't practice, then the mistakes you are definitely going to make in exam. Okay, so this is a topic that you should be very much particular about. Okay, चलिए, so घर पे try to draw the isomers for hexane.
बच्चों के मार्क्स जितने कम आते हैं, पापा का वॉल्यूम उतना ही बढ़ जाता है। ये होती है पढ़ाई। पर कभी सोचा है कि मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ बच्चों की ही क्यों?
अब वेदांतु मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी लेगा, वरना आपकी पूरी फीस वापस।
Right? Okay, now we will see position isomerism. This is what I was talking about. Different position of double bonds and triple bonds. Okay, you can see them basically in alkynes and alkenes mainly. The position or functional group can sometimes be different also. हो सकता है, देखो, there are 5 carbon atoms. I can attach this alcohol group at second position. I can attach this at the third position. Position of functional group you have changed. The structure would be different, isn't it? So yeah, this is also like isomerism. Now if we see in alkenes, let's say you have to show the isomers of butene, C4H8. Go with the carbon skeleton. What can I do? 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bond I'll keep at the first carbon. What is the name? 1-butene. है ना? At the first carbon we are having double bond. You can also call it but 1-ene. Okay, but why? Because we have 4 carbon atoms, so word root क्या है? But. And first carbon पे we are having a double bond. Okay, that means ene. Okay. The next one. What can I do? I can change the position of double bond. Ma'am, now I want to keep the double bond at the second carbon. But 2-ene. Different isomer. Now you can say, ma'am, can I call it but 3-ene also? No, because you have to use the lower number in the nomenclature. Okay? So we have to use a lower rank basically. So if a functional group, if a double bond you can say is falling between 5th and 6th carbon, you will use 5 in nomenclature. Are you understanding the point? Tell me in the live chat. Come on, if you are sincerely attending the session. Okay, the next one, the next thing I can do is to vary the chain. 3 carbon atom in a straight chain, 4th has a substituent, double bond at first carbon. How can you name it? Dekho, 1, 2, 3. At second position, we have methyl group. So 2-methyl. In the main carbon skeleton, we have 3 carbon atoms. So word root is prop. 2-methyl, prop, and double bond at the first carbon. Prop 1-ene. ठीक है, now देखो ये कैसा isomer था? ये this is a position isomer. These two are position isomers. This is chain position isomer. Okay? The relation here would be, if you see second and third में क्या relation है, और first and third में what is the relation? Chain position. हाँ ना, हाँ सॉरी, ये वाले देखो क्लियरली बताती हूँ, कंफ्यूजन हो गया थोड़ा. देखो, let's say you want to give the relation. ठीक है, this is your first isomer, ये वाला, this is second and this is third. If someone asks you what kind of isomers are these 1 and 2 में, these are position isomer, है ना, the position of double bond you have changed. Okay, if someone asks you what about first and third, देखो first and third में double bond is at the first carbon only, but what is changing? The position of double bond hasn't changed, the carbon chain is changed. So this is chain isomerism. If someone asks you about 2 and 3, what kind of isomerism are they exhibiting? So see, double bond position is also changed and the carbon chain का skeleton is also changed. So this is chain position isomerism. ठीक है, ये एग्जाम में लिखना नहीं है, you don't have to write this in exam, this is just for your knowledge. Okay, the same way में you can draw for the alkynes also. C4H6 के लिए draw करो, you can vary the position of the triple bond, position isomerism, but 1 ion and but 2 ion. Clear है? How many number of minimum carbons are required for chain isomerism in alkanes? Everyone in the chat box? 4 carbon, not 3. देखो 3 अगर आप बनाते हो, is there any other way of arranging the 3 carbon? You cannot vary the arrangement. कुछ भी कर लो. Will you write like this? That is same only, है ना? So minimum 4 carbons are required, right? So guys, one thing ma'am wants to tell you all very clearly, that is about the Vedantu's AI live classes. So all the students in the session right now are those who are going to face their final exam very soon. Okay, so this is the best time to do a hardcore revision of full syllabus in these 10-15 days. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा रिविजन होगा because we have launched Drona batch for you. The last batch started on 11th April, but because of huge demand of students, they were like, ma'am, we want to do our revision because it's going to be your Arya Par wali revision. ठीक है, तो you have to come with us in the AI live classes, and believe me beta, AI live classes में, you know, the teacher is in the recorded session, the tech product is advanced to another level that you will see in the session. Okay, and what is the reason? The reason simply Vedantu has a dream कि हर बच्चा quality education afford कर पाए. That is the main thing. Okay, and we want to make it possible for you because 3,300 rupees for the Drona batch was not affordable to all the students. We understand the prices are now reduced to rupees 990. Okay, and guys, remember this thing, this is for you only, and you are going to get the result, and you can use Shilpi Mam's coupon code. Remember, my code is SKAPRO. A लगाना जरूरी है ना? That is my personal code, Shilpi Kaushik Army Pro. So don't be like, you know, don't think कि मैम अभी क्या फायदा लेने का, एग्जाम्स तो एक हफ्ते बाद है. You know, this 1 week, these 2 weeks, 1 week, 10 days actually decide the marks difference that is going to be there. Okay, a student who will be enrolled in a Drona batch has upper hand than you. Reason मैं बताती हूँ, because the revision would be done with lots of questions from past year. The expected questions teachers are going to take in the last Drona batch. Okay, क्या पता अगर 10-15 दिन you attend the Drona batch, you will get to see the exact same questions in your board exam. And trust us, the students who have taken our classes already, and they found that maximum question board exam comes directly from our notes. Okay, so this is what we want, that last few days if you do this crash revision, then you will see a lot of questions in the board exams. Okay, and one more thing guys, बैच का प्राइस बहुत कम है. कौन टीचर्स पढ़ाने वाले हैं? अभिषेक सर फिजिक्स पढ़ाने वाले हैं. सो अभिषेक सर इज टेकिंग सम क्वेश्चंस इन वो एग्जाम में ना आए. You know, Harsh sir is there, है ना? You are having Amrit sir for biology. You have your all the YouTube master teachers. Okay, trust with us. सब कुछ है सेशंस में. यू गेट लाइव इन क्लास डाउट सपोर्ट, लाइव क्विज, लाइव हॉटस्पॉट, लाइव पोल्स एंड माइलस्टोन्स होंगे फॉर योर पर्सनलाइज्ड हेल्प. ठीक है. How to take the enrollment? The one simple step is direct. वो क्या करना है? The link is given in description box of this video. I'll show you. This is the video that you're watching right now. Okay, you have to go in link of the description box and you will see over here Drona Reloaded. Tap on the second link. This is term to CBSE Drona, all the awesome master teachers on your screen, okay, who have produced excellent results. Mode of language is going to be English. ठीक है, हिंदी इंग्लिश के सेशंस में बहुत मजा आता है, so it's going to be a fun session. 990 rupees with Shilpi Mam's code. Otherwise, it is for 1100 rupees. ठीक है, this is the code SKA Pro. Already there. Do not forget to apply this. 110 off you are getting further from the code. 990 rupees. You can use any mode of payment. Every penny is like, you know, worth spending over this. या फिर अगर ऐसे नहीं करना है, you can also reach out to our academic counselors. Just send them a WhatsApp message on the number that is there on your screen. But directly जाओ, that would be easier for you, है ना? You can easily, you don't have to wait for anyone. Simply जा सकते हो. So all the features are amazing. If in case you guys are like, no ma'am, Drona we have already enrolled in, so I want to go with the JEE preparation now. So JEE and NEET के लिए भी the live courses, AI live courses are running now, and price is 15,000. But if you use Shilpi Mam's coupon code, you will get it for just 13,000 rupees, around that. Okay, and that is so worth it, guys. So go for it. Do not miss it. Okay. And subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. This is ma'am's code, note it down. Okay, SKA Pro. Chale, let's do some questions now. Tell me the answer in the comment section, everyone. X is isomer of hexane. The formula of X is, easy है, you know formula of alkanes क्या होगा? General formula CN H2N plus 2. Where N is the number of carbon atom, hexane में we have 6 carbon atoms. So what will be the value? C6 H14. The answer is going to be option number C. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Which of the following alkanes does not have isomers? One with 1 carbon, the one with 3 carbon, the one with 2 carbon, or all of them? Everyone, yes. Option A. इसके क्या आइसोमर हो सकते हैं? There is no other way of doing the arrangement of 1 carbon. 2 कार्बन का भी कोई और तरीका नहीं है. Not with 3 also. Minimum 4 carbons are required. है ना? Answer is all of them. Easy peasy. Yes, ma'am. 2 isomeric forms of a saturated hydrocarbon. Tell me, saturated hydrocarbon, we have 2 isomeric forms. They have the same structure. They have different composition of elements. They have the same molecular formula, or none of the above. Molecular formula is going to be same. Yes or no? Yes, definitely isomers जो है ना? Okay, chaliye. So that was all, guys, and you can follow me on my Instagram. I am Kitain is my Instagram ID. Okay, apart from that, leave any doubt or confusion in the comment section. Still there are some days for exam. Drona batch को join कर लो. मेरी मानो तो 990 rupees में कुछ भी नहीं होता है. If you are getting those questions that you can see in your final exam, that too for subjective question, I guess उससे बड़ी चीज कुछ नहीं होती है. Okay, so think in that way. वो सारे social, chemistry, physics के question you get to see them in the exam, and trust me, this happens. The students who get out from the last crash courses of Vedantu, they get the most advantage. They are like, we have completed the crash course final one and we got to see majority of the questions similar. I'm telling you a really serious point. So check the link given in description box of the video. Price is highly suitable, and when you try AI live here for the Drona, you will know the features and stuff. Then you can also take a big decision to get enrolled for the JEE and NEET course also. Right, so this is what ma'am was talking about. So Shilpi ma'am is going to see you next time. Thank you so much for attending the session. See ya.
बच्चों के मार्क्स जितने कम आते हैं पापा का वॉल्यूम उतना ही बढ़ जाता है। ये होती है पढ़ाई। पर कभी सोचा है कि मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ बच्चों की ही क्यों?
अब वेदांतु मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी लेगा, वरना आपकी पूरी फीस वापस।